Hey there everyone, in this video I am going to talk about Autodesk built-in LLM assistant that eliminates the need of cloud AI. As we know, in order to use cloud AI, you need to pay like $20 per month, and that too is not unlimited, have got limited cap. Now here is a surprise from Autodesk Fusion. It actually comes with its own Autodesk Assistant, and by any means, if you do not see it, if you click here on the top, you should be able to find it. Now if you go here in setting, make sure that this is enabled. So sometime it may be possible that this is disabled and then we may not able to do anything. So just simply go here on the top, open it, and then go here in setting and enable it. Once enabled, we are ready to go. Now the next thing here I'm gonna do is, of course, I need to type what I want to create. For example, I'm gonna say help me create two parts that are mating with each other. So we need to think of how we can join two hollow cylinders together. Of course, one can have little bit bigger dia, or it may not. Think of one is hollow cylinder and another one is cover that is covering that hollow cylinder. And this is really a big task because I am not asking it to create a simple part, but I am asking it to create two different parts and assemble them together. So let's see how it come up with and have started writing the script. And the good thing I like about this Autodesk Assistant, it always asks for your permission. So here you can see from the script, it have defined the parameters and dimension, because I was very blunt and I even have not provided any dimension. So here, of course, the better the context you provide, the more predictable result it's going to give you. Now I'm going to say, sure, go ahead. And one more good thing I noticed or realized about this is, since I have not opened any document, it is kind of, instead of discarding everything, it is kind of reminding me to create a new document. And this way I did that. Now I'm going to say done. Now, since I have opened a part modeling environment, therefore it's going to create both together. But let's say if we want to create them separate, then I should have actually opened the assembly mode. But still here we can see it is done in form of two different bodies. And that's how, guys, we can utilize this built-in Autodesk Assistant, which to my surprise is faster as well when compared to Cloud Code. And that's wrap up this video. Do let us know what are you planning to build utilizing this Autodesk Assistant, especially for those users who are very new to this Autodesk Fusion platform environment. And in the end, I also would like to mention, yes, we can draw anything utilizing the power of AI, but before you design and actually prototype it, especially using machining process, please go and check out the constraint of that particular process. That will help you to create more feasible products. And if you are new to this channel, I would consider you to subscribe to Engineering Pritam for more such videos, and I will catch you soon. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.